What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to do a factory carrier unlock. I have unlocked hundreds of phones using this method and for me it's my favorite. It works perfectly. What a carrier unlock does, it allows you to use your phone with different providers. If you travel and if you want to switch SIM cards from a different company anywhere in the world, you just simply go ahead, you put your SIM card into your phone and your phone will work without any issues. So we're going to begin.
So to start, we're going to get the phone's IMEI number. That's a unique number for every phone. So to get it, simply dial *#06#. As you will see, your 15-digit IMEI number will appear in the screen of your phone. This number is very important. It represents the ID of your phone, and keep it somewhere close because we're going to use it in a few seconds to unlock this phone. Okay, now we're going to switch to the computer. And in this website, we will request the unlock code to unlock this phone or any other phone you want to unlock. So we're going to start by filling up the information here. As you can see here, there is a form. And now you just have to wait. You have to wait until they send you your unlock code. This may take 5 minutes and up to 3 or 10 business days. It depends on every brand. I'm going to show you my personal email account so that you can see how the email will look like.
And as you can see here, I got this message and it confirms that the phone has been unlocked. Any questions, just leave them on the comment section down below and I'll try to answer all of them. Thank you so much and I'll see you on the next one.